Your truck was running perfectly yesterday. But today you turn the key, and the engine cranks, yet it refuses to start. Most drivers immediately assume the worst: a dead battery, a bad starter, or even a failed fuel pump. But sometimes the real problem is much smaller. One commonly overlooked cause of a no-start issue is a faulty fuel pump relay. This tiny electrical component controls the power going to the fuel pump. If the relay fails, the pump never turns on, which means fuel never reaches the engine. The engine may crank normally, but it will never start. Before replacing expensive parts, always check the fuel pump relay. Sometimes the smallest component can stop the entire truck.